we're going to look for a white background that will place the picture on top so to fit perfectly. Don't just crop it like that, it won't work out well. Okay, so we're going to adjust the picture very well. We're going to increase in the height and in length, and then we're going to reduce the size. So after that, we click the save button, then we go to tools and tap crop. This is where we're going to crop the picture out. We're not going to crop it with the background, we'll crop it out, and we're going to crop it neatly so that it will fit our screen very well. It won't be showing the white sides of it. Then we save. I use Google Photos as my gallery, so that is where I'm going to set my picture as my wallpaper.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking, living the highs and lows. I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing?
As you can see, the wallpaper fits
Would you
perfect.
stay with me if the world was ending?
And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel to tap the bell button to get notified. See you again. Thanks.